So hello everyone and welcome back to a whole new episode of Read with Ayushi. आज का टॉपिक है creating a very influential personality no matter what life throws on you. It's very important to have a personality which is worth praising. You need to be such a high spirited personality who is very much known for a particular thing. आप अगर किसी एक चीज़ के लिए जाने जाते हो या फिर उससे ज़्यादा मल्टीपल चीज़ों के लिए जाने जाते हो तो फिर that is an achievement in itself. This video is an attempt towards our best personality and becoming an irresistible personality in ourselves. 1. Self-reflection and awareness. Be very mindful about आपका inner child कैसा है या फिर आपके inner thoughts किस तरीके हैं. Try to work on them. Make them as much positive as much possible. You need to be your biggest cheerleader in life, and that is what will change your life for the best. You have to be able to choose yourself over everything else, no matter how harsh life is on you. 2. Set clear intentions. Set the goals which are really achievable for you but also important for you to become a better individual. ये लाइफ जो है ना ये हमारी एक जर्नी है जहाँ पर हमें खुद को सिर्फ और सिर्फ बेटर बनाना है at every point, and that is where you will also enjoy life when you see yourself become 1% better each day to grow yourself as an individual and only keep on working yourself in becoming your best self. 3. Continuous learning. Become a lifelong learner. Try always to read good books, attend good seminars, make a network with good people और ऐसे लोगों को follow करो जिनके तरह आप बनना चाहते हैं, because this will set you apart from the others and you can become much better by just following the right path. आप already 50% आगे हैं अगर आप सही path पर हैं. 4. Embrace challenges. See them as a stepping stone towards your success. Always be grateful for the challenges which are coming in your life, because they are only here to help you step up once, and they are only another step towards gaining your dreams or reaching there. 5. Cultivate empathy and emotional intelligence. पता है वो इंसान ना जो कि दूसरों के दुख में दुखी होना जानता हो, उनके दुख में उन्हें पॉजिटिवली मोटिवेट करना चाहता हो, या फिर जब कोई इंसान दुखी है आप उन्हें सिर्फ बैठकर सुन लीजिए. That is the most attractive trait in a person in himself, and we need to cultivate this habit. There are times जब हम खुद को रोक ही नहीं पाते अपनी बातें बताने में सामने वाले को कि हम उसे सुनना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. But no, it's important to become a good listener too in order to cherish and become a better personality. आपको नहीं पता आप कितनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें सीख रहे होंगे जब आप सिर्फ लोगों को सुनना सीख जाते हैं. This also builds up your patience and willpower. 6. Effective communication. Effective communication के लिए सबसे ज़रूरी है कि आप लोगों को सुनना शुरू करें या फिर एक reading or learning skills develop करें, and only after that you will be able to communicate better. It's very important for a person. पता है कितना ज़्यादा टफ होता है जब आपके दिमाग में बहुत अच्छे थॉट्स या आइडियाज़ आते हो बट आप उन्हें वर्ड्स की नहीं दे सकते, because you do not have the courage to do that or you do not know the right way to do that. And this is where communication comes in. You need to learn the right ways of communicating yourself towards the person in front of you, or at least to yourself. एक इंसान जो कि अपने थॉट्स को कन्वे करना जानता है ना वो ऑटोमेटिकली बहुत अट्रैक्टिव हो जाता है एक दूसरे वाले से जो कि अपने आइडियाज़ को कन्वे नहीं कर पाता. 7. Build strong relationships. Try to nurture and nourish the relationships you have in your family and friends. They are very important and they really matter to you. आप कई बार अपने गोल्स के लिए अपने फैमिलीज़ को प्रायोरिटाइज तो नहीं करते, दैट इज़ ओके, बट what is not healthy is to ruin the connections you have with people, because man is a social animal and we need to cherish the people who care for us. And 8. Give back and contribute. There is nothing like contributing or trying to help someone in this world. आपको खुद भी पता है ना आप कितने ज़्यादा खुश होते हैं अंदर से जब आप किसी की हेल्प कर पाते हैं उनके टाइम्स ऑफ नीड्स में. आपको कितना अच्छा लगता है when someone even asks you for a pen or a notebook when they need it. So So it is a tendency in ourselves to be happy when we are giving, and we are born to do that. So just try to be a bit kind and positive and be a bit giving to others. Remember, building a dynamic personality is a lifelong process जो कि आपको पूरी जिंदगी बिताना है करते हुए. But what is important, what matters the most is understanding yourself as an individual, cherishing the smallest and the biggest of things existing in you, and still keeping on being polite and calm. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and do like, share and subscribe if you like the content. Thank you so much for watching. Read with Ayushi.